How to archive chats in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Archiving a chat helps your conversation list organized without deleting your messages. First of all, in order to archive chats in Wire Messenger, open the Wire Messenger app on your device and log into your account if you are not. Once you're inside, go to your conversation list and then press and hold the chat you want to archive. In the pop-up, click on the archive button and your chat has been archived. If you ever want to view your archived chat in the future, go to the archive button from the bottom and you'll see your chat archived on the list. To unarchive the chat, you can just go ahead and swipe right on the chat and in the pop-up click on Unarchive and you'll be able to get the conversation back in your conversation tab. So that's how you archive a chat in Wire Messenger. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.